Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my students? Hope you are well by the Almighty Allah. I am also well by the mercy of Him. Follow the headline National Memorial. We will learn something about National Memorial. But what is our topic on National Memorial? We will see. The lessons we will learn here: changing sentence, article gaps, capitalization and punctuation mark. Okay? Part 1, changing sentence. Follow the questions. National Memorial is a great symbol. Negative. It is 150 tall. It is 150 feet tall. Interrogative. It is achieved by million martyrs. Passive. The relics of the war are kept in the National Museum. Active. Our liberation war was an extreme sacrifice for us! Exclamatory. National Memorial is a great symbol. Negative. Rule. Subject, AV, article, adjective plus noun. Equal to subject, AV, not, article plus opposite adjective plus noun. Answer: National Memorial is not a normal symbol. It is 150 feet tall. Interrogative. Rules. Subject, AV, extension. AV, N apostrophe T. Subject, extension plus interrogative sign. Answer: Isn't it 150 feet tall? It is achieved by millions martyrs. Active. Subject, AV, verb 3, by plus object. Equal to object, verb 1 or 5 plus subject. Answer: millions martyrs. Million martyrs achieve it. The relics of the war are kept in the National Museum. Active. Role. Subject, AV, verb 3, prepositional phrase. Equal to hiring object. Hiring object plus verb 1 or verb 5 plus subject plus prepositional phrase. Answer: the authors of government keep the relics of the war in the National Museum. Our liberation war was an extreme sacrifice for us! Exclamatory. Subject article rule. Subject plus verb plus article plus very or great or extreme plus noun plus extension equal to hot plus article plus noun plus extension. Plus extension plus subject plus verb plus exclamatory sign. Answer: hot is sacrifice for us, our liberation or odds. National Memorial is a great symbol. It is 150 feet tall. It is achieved by million martyrs. The relics of the war are kept in the National Museum active. Our liberation war was an extreme sacrifice for us. 5 questions now. Try your level best to make the answers. Already the answers are here. Okay. Part 2, article gaps. Read the 5 columns, 5 sentences. Okay. Here are 5 article gaps. Try to fill up the blanks as you can. Here we have kept the answers. National Memorial is not a normal symbol. Isn't it 150 feet tall? Cross the A. Okay. Part 3, capitalization and punctuation mark. Again read the following lines or sentence and observe the punctuation and capitalization. The white indicated words bear something wrong. But what is the correct? Now let's go to C. Here the answer is okay. National N, tall interrogative sign, million, capital letter M, museum, full stop, was, exclamatory sign. Thank you very much. Wish you good luck to the Almighty Allah. Watch the video carefully and answer the questions.